Welcome to Beauty on Beach, a historic gem nestled in the heart of Nashville. This breathtaking property, originally built in 1901, is a harmonious blend of old-world charm and modern luxury, offering an unforgettable experience for those seeking an elegant escape. Featured on HGTV and Nashville Interiors magazine, Beauty on Beach has been lovingly restored with meticulous attention to detail. This 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom masterpiece, including a new guest house, showcases a bold and more is more aesthetic. The home's soaring 11-foot ceilings, bold black exterior, and carefully curated interiors are a feast for the eyes, an Instagram sensation in its own right. Every corner of the 3,200 square foot main house tells a story. From salvaged architectural elements to exquisite design touches like an onyx sink and columns from a historic Macy's in Atlanta, this home is filled with history, character, and soul. The passion for preserving the magic of old houses is evident in every choice, from the intricate wallpaper to the copper gutters that frame the home like jewelry. Step outside to the expansive 1,500 square foot guest house, where modern comfort meets timeless beauty, perfect for extended stays or intimate gatherings. Whether you're admiring the Victorian craftsman architecture or relaxing in one of the lavishly designed rooms, Beauty on Beach invites you to immerse yourself in a world where every detail has been thoughtfully curated for your enjoyment. Experience Nashville in a home that's as unique and vibrant as the city itself. Beauty on Beach awaits your arrival.